Meaning of evenings.
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 Evenings. Evenings refers to the time of day between late afternoon and late night, usually starting around 5 or 6 p.m. and ending around midnight. During this time, people may engage in a variety of activities such as cooking dinner, spending time with family and friends, watching TV shows or movies, or attending events. Evenings provide a chance to wind down and relax after a busy day and can be a great opportunity for socializing and enjoying leisure activities. However, it's important to balance these activities with rest and self-care to maintain overall well-being.